Most 169-foot super yachts give you partitioned spaces. The Benetti B.NOW 52M gives you one continuous flow from foredeck to stern. Built by Benetti in Viareggio, Italy. Steel-hulled, sub 500 gross tons. Exterior architecture by RWD, interior by Valentina Zanier, the latest Oasis Deck flagship, twin-man V12 engines, 2,800 horsepower total, top end 15 knots, cruise at 11 knots, roughly 4,500 nautical miles of range on 17,000 gallons of fuel, 169 feet overall, 29.5-foot beam, 8.5-foot draft. The signature feature is the Oasis Deck, 30% larger than the predecessor at a 1,400 square foot beach area, a central pool with a retractable cover, dining for 12 at deck level. The boundary between guest space and ocean simply dissolves. Inside, 6 cabins, 12 guests, 6 private heads. Generous beam allows full beam accommodations on the lower deck, and a panoramic main salon that opens both sides to the sea. The interior reads coastal contemporary, not heritage classical. Bottom line, the B.NOW 52M is a steel sub 500 gross ton flagship for owners who want 6 cabins, real Oasis deck living, and the credibility of an Italian custom yard without crossing the charter license threshold. For the full spec sheet and comparison data, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Tony from Minted Yachts.
For additional information, feel free to email me at ts@mintedyachts.com or text me at 404-805-9819. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com. Please like and subscribe.